Hello, this is a Paint-A-Lot, and I want to share with you today how I kitbashed this giant robot. I'm using it as a Dunecrawler, as a proxy. I just want my army to look a bit, it's a bit inspired by the Adeptus Mechanicus. So yeah, it's quite easy to do. I didn't get a chance to record myself making it, but I can make a simple video now, just sharing with how I did it. So first off, you need this kit, which is the Iron Circle Dominator. Okay, it's from Forge World. And then a box of this, which is the Dunecrawler. For this one, I'm just going to use the legs, but you're welcome to use the guns and so on. This sprue here, this is the sprue I used. Alright, so you build the legs. So here are the legs, so nothing special. Yep, and then what I've done, if you see the ball, the waist swivel, I've just glued on the torso of the Iron Circle robot and glued it onto the ball joints of the legs. Quite simple. And then I've used the rocket launcher from the Dunecrawler as the arm. So that's just from the Dunecrawler, easy to find. This little appendage, the grabby small hand thing, is also from the Dunecrawler, if I'm not mistaken. And that's it really. Very simple. Oh yeah, I put the shield on the back of the Iron Circle robot's shield on the back, just to make it look cool and give me an opportunity to add some shapes and definition. Alright, I hope that was useful, and see you next time. Bye!